Hello, how are you? I hope you will be enjoying good health and prosperity. Today, the question is we have to find mean, median, mode, and range. Now, in first step, we rearrange these terms. By rearranging, there are 5, 7, 8, 14, 14, 17, 18, 20. Now we find mean. Mean, mean. We use formula for mean is x bar is equal to sum of terms over number of terms, that is equal to sigma x over n is equal to, now we add these for all terms, 5, is equal to 5 plus 7 plus 8 plus 14 plus 14 plus 17 plus 18 plus 20 divided by number of terms 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now this is equal to 103 over 8 is equal to 12.88 approximately. Now in second step we find median. Median here number of terms are 8 and 8 is a even, therefore we use formula for the even terms in the medium is equal to n by 2th term plus n by 2 plus 1 term over 2. Now here number of terms are 8. 8 by 2 th term plus 8 by 2 plus 1 term divided by 2. Now this is equal to 8 divided by 2, fourth term plus 4 plus 1 term divided by 2. Now this is equal to fourth term plus fifth term divided by 2 is equal to fourth term is here. Fourth term is 1 2 3 4 14, and fifth term is also 14. Therefore it is equal to 14 plus 14 divided by 2 is equal to 28 divided by 2 is equal to 14. Median is equal to 14. Now mode. Mode is equal to most occurring term is equal to the most occurring observation is 14, which occurs 2 times. Therefore mode is equal to 14. Now range is equal to xm minus x1 xi. This is equal to greatest maximum term, greatest term, and the shortest smallest term. This is equal to 20 minus 5 is equal to 15. Thanks.